If you've spent any time researching trading platforms, you've probably come across Quantower. It's a powerful, professional-grade platform that's packed with advanced tools like footprint charts, volume profiles, DOM ladder trading, and much more. Traders typically use it for its speed, its flexibility, and the way that it lets you analyze the market from different angles. You can stack order flow data right on your chart, customize your workspace, and trade directly from the DOM. Quantower has become one of the more recognizable names in futures trading because it brings institutional-level tools into a retail-friendly platform. It's polished, fast, and backed by constant development updates. But like most high-end software, that performance comes at a cost, which is going to be about $70 a month, or roughly $1,590 for a lifetime license. It is an incredible platform, and in my opinion, it has everything a serious trader could need if you're willing to pay for it. In this video, I'll show you how to get Quantower for free. Instead of paying the monthly license or lifetime fee, I'll show you how to access the exact same professional features at no cost. The way you'll do this is through Optimus Flow. Optimus Flow is built on the same technology as Quantower, but it's customized and provided free by Optimus Futures, which is a futures brokerage that offers direct market access and professional-grade data feeds. In short, you're going to get the same core platform, the same charts, DOM, footprint, and volume profile tools with better futures connectivity and without the licensing bill. Now, this might sound too good to be true, so here's how it actually works. Quantower sells platform licenses directly to traders. That's what you see on their website, the $70 a month or $1,590 for a lifetime license. But they also partner with select brokerages that integrate their technology. Optimus Futures is one of those partners. So instead of you paying Quantower for a license, Optimus covers that cost, which means you can access the full platform for free when you trade through them. It's not a stripped down version, there are no missing tools. It's the exact same professional platform, just delivered as Optimus Flow. So let's take a look at exactly what you get with Optimus Flow. Optimus Flow is a complete professional-grade futures trading platform, and everything you'd expect from high-end software is already built in. You get depth of market trading for precise order execution. You have access to full order flow and cluster chart analysis to see where real buying and selling pressure is building. You also get detailed volume profiles, TPO charts, and VWAP bands for tracking key value areas. There are dozens of technical indicators, plus simulated trading and market replay so you can practice and refine your strategy without risk. Optimus Flow is everything serious futures traders need, all in one platform and completely free through Optimus Futures. The really cool thing about Optimus Flow is that you can build your trading workspace exactly the way that you want it. Every chart, window, and data panel can be either moved, linked, or resized so your setup fits the way that you trade. Whether you're scalping from the DOM, analyzing order flow, or running a cleaner chart-based layout, there's definitely a tool here for you. Optimus Flow adapts to your workflow and trading style, and that gives you the freedom to focus entirely on execution. So if you're ready to trade on the same professional platform without paying for it, click on the link in the description and open your free Optimus Futures account and start using Optimus Flow today. Remember, it's the same technology as Quantower, just smarter and free.